Shall we go play a new game? Hi, Pedro. Let's go together. We'll learn lots of new and exciting things.
Guess the character. Is it Mickey Mouse? Is it Patrick, SpongeBob's friend? Is it Po from Kung Fu Panda? Is it Anger from Inside Out?
Mickey Mouse.
Is it Po from Kung Fu Panda?
Is this Patrick, SpongeBob's best friend?
Yes, it's Anger from the Inside Out movie.
Guess the character.
Who lives here? Donald Duck, SpongeBob, The Little Mermaid, Ariel, or George Pig from Peppa Pig?
Does Donald Duck live here?
Is this the Little Mermaid named Ariel?
Could it be that SpongeBob lives in the hut? Yes, this is George Pig from the Peppa Pig movie.
Is it Sebastian the Crab from The Little Mermaid? Dory from Finding Nemo by Disney and Pixar? Goofy or Rebecca Rabbit from Peppa Pig?
Is it Dory from Finding Nemo?
Or is it Goofy living on the beach?
Could it be Sebastian the Crab, Ariel's mentor?
Yes, it's Rebecca Rabbit who lives here.
Is it Buzz Lightyear or Woody from Toy Story by Pixar? Peppa Pig or her friend Pedro Pony?
Is it Buzz Lightyear from Toy Story?
Or is it Woody from Toy Story?
Does Peppa Pig live here?
Yes, it's Pedro Pony's house, Peppa Pig's best friend.
Guess the character.
Who are these characters? Is it Woody from Toy Story? Spider-Man from Marvel? Harry Potter? Or Disgust from Inside Out?
Does Woody from Toy Story live here?
Or is it Harry Potter from the Harry Potter series?
Is it Peter Parker's? Spider-Man's house from the Marvel movies?
Yes, it's Disgust from the Inside Out movie.
Which character from the Avengers? The Lion King by Disney and Peppa Pig lives on the beach. Is it the Hulk and Iron Man from the Avengers? Simba from the Lion King movie? Or Susie Sheep from Peppa Pig?
Could it be that this is the Hulk from the Avengers?
Is this Simba from the Lion King movie?
Is this Iron Man from the Avengers?
Yes. Susie Sheep is Peppa Pig's friend. Guess the character.
Is it Ennui from Inside Out? Bing Bong from Inside Out? Hello Kitty? Or Danny Dog from Peppa Pig?
Is this Enui's house from Inside Out?
Or is it Hello Kitty? Who lives there?
Could it be Bing Bong from Inside Out?
Yes! It's Danny Dog, Peppa Pig's friend.
Guess the character.
Is it Patrick the Crab? SpongeBob's friend? Snoopy from Disney? Remy the Rat from Ratatouille? Or Peppa Pig?
Is it Patrick from SpongeBob?
Or is it Remy the Rat from Ratatouille?
Could it be Snoopy from Disney?
Yes! It's Peppa Pig's beach house.
Guess the character.
Anxiety or joy from the Inside Out cartoon? Or the minions from Despicable Me?
Is this anxiety?
Is this Minion? Is this Joy?
Yes. This is a minion from the Despicable Me movie.
So, Peppa, did you like this new game? It was so much fun playing together. We had an amazing time today. Pedro, Peppa Pig, played an exciting game where I discovered who SpongeBob is and explored who lives on a pirate ship. This colorful, interactive game was perfect for kids, as we used vibrant characters and matching puzzles to learn while having fun. From recognizing familiar faces like SpongeBob and other characters from various shows to solving silhouette puzzles and matching colors, it was a blast. This game helped us develop our recognition skills, matching characters based on their shape, accessories, and color. We also dived into fun, educational activities such as color matching games, guessing who lives where, and character quizzes. The puzzles were filled with popular characters from Disney, Nickelodeon, and Pixar, making learning cheerful and engaging for children. Whether it's a Guess Who game or Match Who quizzes, these fun kids games challenge children to think, learn, and recognize their favorite characters. The vibrant colors, cheerful characters, and exciting matching games kept everyone entertained and learning all the way. From silhouettes to accessories and colors, these games help boost memory and cognitive skills, providing a playful and educational experience for kids.